Hi friends, welcome to another video. I am sharing my uh, new new SaaS based application, which is meant to launch your own SaaS based conversational AI system and like Vapi. So you can create your own voice agent, and you can if you are an agency you can resell as that as well. So uh, here is the conversational AI module that you can actually build your own uh, AI agent. So conversational AI agent, which will be can chat on website as a chatbot, can be used, and also can be as a voice caller and also a phone call for the caller as well through AI as for inbound and outbound calls. So you can do it. Here I am into while creating the customer support agent. You can see that I can pretty much do enter everything like first message and then the system prompts, and can customize it as per my liking. I can even add knowledge base. I can give contacts to my AI agent. Can select different voice for different languages, and then yes, once it is ready, you can actually can use it into your website. Like I can here, I can I can talk like this to my agent. Yeah. Uh,
Hello, I'm here to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. How can
hi,
I assist you?
hi. Just want to know what kind of services you offer.
We offer a conversational AI agent platform with a variety of plans to suit different needs. We have DIY plans starting from $20 per month, a $100 per month white label solution for agencies, and a $500 one time self hostable premium package with 1 year of updates.
Okay,
Could you tell
thank
me a
you.
bit about your specific?
I will get back to you. Thank you. So, as you can see that it can be used on the website for the chatting as well, and uh, you can talk to very much your voice agent, and can embed this on your website as well, and can talk and you can chat as well. So and also, and you can make a phone calls. You can attach to your phone numbers issued by Twilio, or you can import it from the SIP, any SIP trunk provider, and can assign that particular number to a particular agent. So this is very much interesting. So you can even make a call, outbound calls, and can receive the inbound calls, and there is pretty much you can do many things. Like you can even can start a batch call for the bulk calling, and you can start a batch call by importing your CSV with containing your phone numbers and names. And as you can see in the agent also, while creating an agent, you can see that there is a dynamic variable that you can utilize. So anything any value matching with the fields of CSV, you can actually can be converted as a variable. So that is how it can be used, and you can use some of the tools associated. You can associate with to your agents like SMS sending, etc. There is MCP server. It's an initial stage where you can also integrate third-party MCP servers based on SSE and streamable HTTP protocol. Once you made some any kind of conversation through AI agent, you can see that the history as well. You can see that the stats, like what is the summary of the conversation, and then the transcription, whole transcription you will be getting over, and then the you can download the audio file and to play back, and you can
Hello,
even
I'm here
locally
to
host.
help you with any questions or concerns you may have. How can I assist you today?
Hi, just want to know what kind of services you offer. So this kind of the total control over there. So it's a pretty much everything. So if you are interested to start something like Vapi, you can contact me and can we can finalize a deal. So this is application that you must be looking for. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a nice day.